Hi guys, this is JCYZ Gaming back with another video, and today it's another lucky day. I don't know why, but I think that for some reason I had two tickets. Again, I had two tickets. Like when I got my what was it? Let me think about it. Yes, the Useji, my Useji. I think I don't know what's her name. Or its name, I forgot, but it's one of the Ubers from the event, and it was Epic Fest at that time, or Uber Fest. And you know what happened? From two cat tickets, I got that Uber, and again it happened. I was just opening up my game. I have saved up two golden cat tickets. Just wanted to test out a theory, hope that I can just get some kind of cat or something, and then I got sodom. I am not even joking right now. Let I don't know why I didn't press use immediately. But first, let me use up the witch cat. I want to sell it. Oops, sorry. Also, if you are wondering why I have so little XP, it's because I've been upgrading something other than my macaco. I stopped upgrading macaco for a short while. Sodom. Freaking Sodom, this is awesome. I'm gonna clear growing green so easily right now. Let me go check that. Boom, another new Uber. And I do not hack. And I'm not even sponsored in the first place. Yes, Sodom. An awakened ancient cat dragon. Leave destruction in its wake. Area attack. Might knock back. Slash resistant to floating. It resists knockback. Resists knockback. It gives knockback. And it's resistant against floating. Ultimate floating crusher. Can crush. Can demolish my Jinkle cat bell. What is this? Oh, ranger fish hat. Yep. Ooh, too bad it's not growing green today. Heh. There is a crazed lizard, crazed cow, and crazed tank. Also, there's a bit of drilling going on. Just really annoying. Also, this morning I got the final cow cat I needed to get my lion cat. Oh my god, those stupid drilling. That stupid drilling is so annoying. I wish they could just shut up. Oh yeah, there you go. Yusugi Kenshin. Sodom. Let me count my Ubers now. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, and that's all I know for the Spanish language. I'm just going to count in Chinese. Okay, just kidding. English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Ubers. Oh my god, I can make a full Uber right now. That is pretty cool. And I haven't been doing this much. I need to test out my cats in the challenge battle. Yeah. Also, if you didn't know, yesterday was the Craze Cat event. I went in, I'm like, I tried this stage so many times. I must do it. Just do it. So I did that. I did it, got a Craze Cat. And that's what we're gonna test out first today. Let me, also slot 2 is my interchangeable deck. Slot 3 is my anti-black enemy deck, and my slot 1 is my basic deck. Oh, them enemies are gonna have a hell of a time. Alright. I'm not even scared. Squire else will just die. Also, my crazed cat is only level 1. 1, 2, 2 hit KO. Look at how quick it moves. It's really fast. It's a freaking demon. It's a freaking speed demon. Look at that. Already at the base. I need to test how much damage this thing does at level 1, okay? 150. Not bad, not bad. It attacks pretty quickly as well. Oh. And it has pretty high amounts of health. Boom. Look at that attack speed. I'm just testing out one. Look at how much health this thing has. But we're gonna need to... Oh. Oh no. This is not good. Time to start spamming them out. Send out the troops. You can't... This... Oh my god. Oh. This was a bad idea, wasn't it? Oh god. Yeah. Yes, I have died officially. My base has way too much health. Go on, get a hit in. Okay, never mind. Crazed cat, not very good against kangaroos. Next up, we're gonna test the lion cat. There we go. That's it. I know this is pretty good. I've heard it's pretty good and it's pretty fast as well. Giraffe cat is faster, if I'm not wrong, though. And it has more health, too. Okay, this one I gotta be a bit wary. Okay, there we go. Donk. One hit KO. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, it attacks so quickly. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. My god, this is so awesome. Die. Feel the wrath of lion cats. Feel the wrath of 4 lion cats. The freaking king of the jungle. Look at that attack speed though. Oh no. Oh, they're gonna wreck the base. I don't have my cat cannon ready. Oh my god. Yep. Oh my god, he killed that assassin bear. I love that glitch. I don't even need my cat cannon anymore. Just die. This will just get rid of every enemy. This is so beautiful. Look at that power. Look at that power. So powerful. Kill them. Kill them all. Kill them. Just kill it. Just do it. Just do it. I don't have much time, you know. But this is legitimately amazingly awesome. So fun. I forgot how fun the challenge stage is. Maybe they should add in more. Like, I'm kinda tired of this normal challenge stage. Maybe they could add in more difficult challenge stages to test out stronger cats. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is some... Wait. Is it me or are they advancing a little bit too close? Cat cannon! Oh my god, two of those redheads died. Oh, 2 redheads died now. Now it's time for you to die, 3rd redhead. Kill the face. Oh my god, this is too awesome. This is way too fun. Digga 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 de roo digga digga digga. Oh, that was me, not the show. Don't worry. My voice is much more annoying than the drill. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Oh, 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 oh. Assassin Bear fail. Hashtag Assassin Bear fail. And, well, didn't have much else to do today. Just wanted to show you guys that I got a new Uber. And yeah, that's about it, really. So this has been JCYZ Gaming, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!